Hey guys, Drew here from Colton RV and Marine, and today we're going to be checking out the Brinkley Model Z Air 295. Come along with me. So a big thing about Brinkley is that they do an automotive exterior with a residential interior. So the outside of this is going to be beautiful. You got the square windows and the beautiful white on the outside. You do get two awnings on here. So you got the one main one for your campsite over the door, and then you do have one on the slide compared to being above the slide, so you get that extra room in your campsite. Over here at the front, you're gonna have your extra large pass-through storage. They got a nice flooring in here and plenty of controls up on the sides, both your battery disconnect and your travel disconnect, along with a radio volume and skip button. Brinkleys are made by campers for campers. That's their big thing. So a lot of the features on here are gonna be very intuitive to the Brinkley and just camping as a whole. So on the front here, all of your propane and your battery is going to be connected by a nice metal exterior. Opening it up on this side here, two 30-pound propane tanks, along with room for your battery down there. It also does open from the top to access the valves on your propane. You're going to have a BAL auto leveling system on here. This is a high-end leveling system that is completely controlled from the front here. Along with your hitching hookup, they do a different hitching hookup that's so much easier. You don't have to worry about pulling that thing back, making sure the pin's in there. On the back side here, this is where your water hookups are gonna be. It's all the same luxuries that you have in the full-size fifth wheels. So you have your electronic valves up top here, an outdoor shower, and all of your water hookups. This hose is on a reel, so you can take this all the way out to fill up your water. Coming around to the back here, you have your 50-amp plug, along with your storage for your Stinky Slinky and your dump valve next to it. Big thing about Brinkley is it's got a true 80-gallon gray water tank. A lot of ones will have two separate dump valves for your gray water. They plumb those two tanks together to give you that true 80 gallons for your gray. You also get a 40-gallon black water tank and a 62-gallon fresh water tank. Coming past the back slide, you're gonna have your Furrion hot water heater. This is an on-demand hot water system, so you're not gonna be running out while you're taking showers. And on the back here, you already have a backup camera. And then a big thing about Brinkley is this back storage. This back storage is massive. The storage is also accessible through the side here. And there's a little drop door that can move, so you can make this storage even bigger. All right guys, let's go take a look inside. A couple extra specs about the Brinkley. It is 34 feet 9 inches long, along with an 11 foot 7 inch height. That's making your interior height 84 inches, and along with your slide boxes being 72 inches. So you really have a lot of height in here. I'm 6'1", and I can stand up in here very comfortably. Also, your weight on this dry is gonna be about 9,100 pounds. All right guys, we're gonna start with the entertainment center here. You do have a fireplace, which is also a heater. And on the Brinkley, you're gonna have tons of storage everywhere. So you got storage here, storage on the sides for your remotes. Also another volume and control for your audio system that's in the Brinkley. You get this massive TV that is on a swing mount, so you can pull it out and tilt it, making viewing on the couch here super easy. You get a wireless charger for your phone, along with some USB ports, and these chairs are heated as well. All right guys, you have this island here that is lag bolted into the frame itself, so I can grab this thing and I can shake it around and it's not gonna move at all. You get a couple nice bar stools here for sitting at your island. Coming into the kitchen area, have this huge pantry with lights, plugs, and adjustable shelves. Coming into the kitchen, you have your microwave, just a standard microwave. Your 3-burner cooktop with a decent size oven for the brownies or cookies or whatever you need to do on your camp trip. Tons of storage, drawers, drawers all the way down. And then on the island here, you get a couple extra drawers with a paper towel holder already built in. Underneath here is a couple of drawers. And then your dual trash cans that go over top here. You're gonna have your refrigerator that is dual-sided, both fridge on this side and freezer on this side. And then your sink area, which is a super nice kind of galvanized black stainless steel compared to the normal silver. The roll-down drying rack, and then, like I've said, tons of storage, cupboards, drawers, everything you can think of. Going into the back, you have your two doors. This is where your bunk room is going to be. You have two oversized bunks rated up to 500 pounds and a TV backer in there as well. I want to talk about the AC that's in the back here. This is an 18 BTU AC unit that they've just started to put in the Brinkleys. Makes it super cold, super nice temperature in here. Coming over to the front, you have your screen door with that Pet Defender screen and your slap shot door. Couple of coat racks for your rain coats or winter coats. Bathroom in here with that extra large shower that they like to do with all the shower heads. And then coming into the bedroom, you have your queen size bed along with storage all the way up top. A couple extra storage spots for your phone while you're sleeping. And then a little bit of a wardrobe area in here. This is where your hot water tank sensor is going to be. You do get a TV in the bedroom along with some coat racks. You also get a second AC unit up in the bedroom area as well. All right, guys, thanks for checking out the Brinkley Air 295 Model Z. Come and visit us today at Colton RV or give me a call directly at 716-694-0188, extension 469. Thanks, guys. Have a good one.